Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of DREADLOCks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be showing you how to comb out dreadlocks. I've actually been combing my dreads out for about 3 months, and I've combed out 23 so far. And I actually just released a video on my main channel. Go check it out. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description, but it's basically an update on how the comb out was doing. But in today's video, I'm going to comb out one dreadlock for you guys, maybe a couple, but I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks that I do in order for me to comb out my dreads. If you do plan on combing out your dreads, or if you just are curious about how to do it, this is a perfect video for you. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and let's jump straight into it. That's how you jump straight into it, like that. I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the products I'm gonna be using for the comb out. I actually got these really cool combs from Handy Healer, and it is a company that deals with lice. And on the back it says stop itching. Don't say that too quick. I wonder if they know that it sounds like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and unwrap all this for you guys. It kind of unzips at the top. I think their products are super dope, but I'm gonna go ahead and shout them out for you guys just because they have some really cool items that they gave to me. So we have this plastic comb that has 2 sets of teeth. This is a wider tooth and this is a closer tooth. But I think it's good to have both metal and plastic combs, especially when it comes to combing out your dreads. Because I'm obviously not combing them out because I have lice, but just because I want to comb them out. But yeah, that's the plastic one. And it also comes with this like super heavy duty metal one. And I'm really excited to use this one because it really feels heavy duty compared to the one that I have been using. And then we have this one. I would say that this is like the basic model of the comb. But yeah, those are just all the combs that I'm going to be using today. We're going to test them out and see how they work. But besides these 3 items, I'm also going to be using conditioner. I'm also going to be using a spray bottle with water and conditioner mixed in. And then I'm also using a dog comb. And those are basically everything that I'm going to be using. So let's actually head downstairs and start combing out some dreadlocks. So for this video, I'm actually just going to be using this dog comb. It's a flea comb. You can pick this up at Fry's, Walgreens, Walmart, CVS. I think you can pick it up those places. I got mine from Fry's. I'm just gonna give you guys quick, easy steps on how to actually just comb out dreadlocks. Watch a full video of me combing out my dreadlocks. Go check out the main channel, like I said. Once the video of me combing out my dreads is released, I'll make sure to link it down in the description. It's not out already, just stay patient. If you're not yet subscribed to the Gunther the Great channel, make sure to go subscribe to it. Let's just go ahead and start. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this dreadlock right here, up in the front. There's a 3-head Congo right here. I'm going to comb out this 3-head Congo that I didn't even know existed. Step number 1 I'm going to show you guys is have a water bottle that is mixed with water and conditioner. In today's video, I'm using this conditioner, it's Tresemme, but it's all mixed in here with water, and use warm water to mix it up. And warm water does help the hair come out better. I don't know what the deal is with that, but warm water typically works best. And all I'm doing is I'm going to spray the dreadlock I'm going to be combing out. I'm going to do the longest one on this Congo, which is this one right here. And then I'm just going to spray the tip, which the tip is typically the easiest to get through. Make sure you use a towel because you're gonna use a lot of water. Make sure you're using a metal teeth comb, and I would recommend using a flea comb or a lice comb. Mostly a flea comb, just because the teeth are a little wider. Take it little by little when you're taking out the dreadlock. Don't take off too much at first. I'm only taking a little bit off at a time. So I'm literally just going in knot after knot. And as the dreadlock dries up, keep adding more water. But if you ever get to the points where if you're going up too far and then you try to comb it out and it's not working, never force the hair out just because you're gonna rip a bunch of hair out that wasn't supposed to be ripped out. Something to note as well is that you're gonna have a bunch of hair that comes out of your dreadlock. And the reason being is because your hair falls out every single day. A lot of hair falls out every single day. And with your hair being locked up, the hair isn't allowed to fall out. So it literally just stays in your hair the whole time. And people always say that you lose a bunch of hair when you comb out your dreads, and it's really not true. Everybody loses hair every single day. You actually hold on to more hair with dreadlocks. But you can see how this is combing out so easy. Another thing to note is that the tip comes out really easy, and as you go farther into the middle, it does get a little tough to comb out, and especially with Congos, once you get to a part where it splits off, it becomes a little harder just because there's a knot right there. But I'm going to continue to comb this out. Best thing you can do is just do what works best for you when it comes to combing them out. I tried combing out with my hair dry. I've tried combing out with my hair soaking wet. I honestly got the same results with either way, so it's all a personal preference. A lot of people say that you have to comb out your hair with conditioner and water. Some people say you don't have to. It's all up to you. I personally would recommend doing it with water and conditioner just because it seems better to do it that way. But I literally tried both just to experience it, and they both turned out the same. And to be honest, I feel like I had a better result with combing my hair out dry, but it just took a little longer just because the hair was dry. So I guess you could say that like it was easy at the tip, but once I got to the middle and stuff, sheesh, it took a while. Water and conditioner works really good when you get to the hard knots. If you feel your dreadlocks, there's typically really hard parts and there's some soft spots. Soft spots are always easy to comb out, and hard spots are always tougher to comb out. And if you've ever interlocked your dreads, that's where it can become very tricky because you're literally trying to undo that interlock. All right, y'all, this is as much as I've combed out just in about 2 minutes. And this is what my hair looks like when it's all combed out. And it is dry right now. And obviously it is pretty greasy because after combing out your dreadlocks, it is pretty greasy because you can't really wash your hair completely when it is in dreads. But I washed my hair after this and my hair got really curly back to its normal hair texture. And it feels good, I'm not gonna lie, it feels really good to have dreads combed out. But hopefully this video does give you guys tips and tricks on how to actually comb out the dreads. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.